Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie Elise. I'm a belly dancer, choreographer and instructor from London, and I'm teaching you guys how to belly dance week by week. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a new traveling step. This is the Crossvine Step or Grapevine Step, whichever you'd rather call it. And it looks like this. Right, I hope you're ready. Let's get started. Okay, for our grapevine slash crossvine walk, we're going to be starting over to the side. I'm going to step across with my right leg, so crossing over my left. Good, put the weight onto the right, and we're going to step out to the side with the left. Good, cross behind with the right this time, and again, step out to the left. Perfect. Let's try that again. So, let's start with the right leg pointed out. We are going to cross, out with the left, behind with the right, out with the left. Good. And let's try the other way. So crossing with the left, left, out, behind and touch. Good. Now we don't have to keep it this small. We can extend it. So let's say we start with the right leg pointed out. We are going to go 1, out, behind, out. Again, cross, out, behind and touch there. Good. And again, crossing with the left this time. Cross, out, behind, out. Cross, front and out, behind and touch. Nice. Okay, let's try that a little bit faster then. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, behind 3, 4, forward 5, 6, 7, touch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind, out, behind, and touch. Good. Front, out, behind, out, front, out, behind, and touch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. When we finish that step, I want you to just point the toes at the end so it's nice. It looks nice. So point your toes at the end, and I want you to make sure you're lifted up through the thighs, pulled up, squeezing through your glutes, pulling up from your core, shoulders roll back and down, and arms are going to be out to the side. Good, let's start again. Right leg pointed, 5, 6, 7, 8, we cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. We've been doing that on flat feet. We can lift it onto Relevé this time. So, ready, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With this, you can play around with using your head, so you can be looking side to side, and you can even do different things with the arms if you want to. So say we could add maybe a little snake arm on that. Let's bring it back down onto flat feet, and we'll just do 4 across, 4 back. And we're gonna look as we cross. So we're gonna look in the direction we're traveling as we cross. We come back to the center, look at the camera slash the audience. Cross behind, and we're gonna look out to the other side and touch back out. Good. Cross look, center. Cross behind, center. Good. With the arms left, yeah, go for a snake arms. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. You can take other variations on there as well, but for now, we will leave it there. And let's go practice with the mirror. Okay, crossing over with the right to start with. We go 1, out, behind, and touch. Cross 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and touch. 1, 2, 3, and touch. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more for a look. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's class on the crossvine/grapevine step, and I will see you next week for more belly dance tutorials. But in the meantime, do make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you drop me a comment below if there's any videos you want to see. And also, don't forget to share it to a friend if you know anyone who wants to learn to belly dance as well. But I will see you guys next week.